Okay? Today I am going to teach you big and small. This is your first section, big and small. Okay? Tell me, what is the meaning of big? Big. Here you have to check the size. Check the size with your hand. How? See like this. Tell me, which one is This is your math textbook. Open it. Page number 3. Chapter number 1. Comparing qualities. Session number 1. Big and small. Point to the objects in each set. Say which object is big and which object is small. As you can see, some sets are here. Now you have to compare the object. How? With the help of big and small. Okay? These are elephants, right? But which one is big and which one is small? This one is small or this one is small? Yes, this one is small in size and this one is big in size. Okay? Next is, these are boxes. These are boxes. Which one is in big size? Yes, this box is in big size and this box is in small size. Yes, these are yacht. But which yacht is big in size and which yacht is in small size? This one is in small size and this one is in big size. You have to put your finger on the objects. Okay? These are fishes. This fish is small in size. Check the size. Which one is small in size? Yes, this one is small in size and this one is big in size. These are balls. Tell me which ball is in big size? This one or this one? You have to check the size. This size, this ball is big in size and this ball is small in size. These are dogs. Tell me which dog is small in size? Yes, this dog is in small size and this dog is in big size. Okay? Like this, you have to compare the objects. Okay? With the help of big and size. Okay? B-I-G, big, and S-M-A-L-L, small. Like this, you have to do your work. Okay? Till that time, thank you. Bye-bye and take care.